Morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are completing the brain teasers of unit 4 which are at page number 74 of your book. In our previous video we have done question number 10. Now let's move to question number 11 of brain teasers. State which of the following statements are true. We need to check the statements are true or false. For example, A part is the reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 1 2 by 7. Okay, first of all solve this mixed. It will be 7 ones are 7 plus 2 9 by 7. Now read the statement carefully. The reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 9 by 7. Tell me, is it true? No, because the reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. So the statement is false. Okay. The next is the multiplicative inverse. This is a new word for you. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Okay. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. The multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1. Now tell me, what is the reciprocal of 1? Yes, it's 1. So the statement is true. Okay. Next question. 1 by 2 divides 1 by 4 means how many quarters in 1 by 2? Beta, quarters means when one thing is divided among 4 parts. Okay, as the pizza is divided among 4 parts, then each part of the pizza is called quarter. Now the given statement of division is 1 by 2 divides 1 by 4. When I convert the division sign into multiplication and take its reciprocal, the answer will be 2. Okay. It means this statement of division is having an answer 2. And how many quarters are there in 1 by 2? If one pizza half is done, then how many quarters are there in 1 half? 2. Okay, so the statement is true. Move to the next. The product of a fractional number and 1 is 1. The product of any fractional number, for example 3 by 5 with 1 is the fraction itself. Okay, it is not 1, so the statement is false. E part of the question is 4 by 9 divides 4 by 9 equals to this. So how can we divide? We have to check by solving it. Multiply 9 by 4. When we cancel it, it will be 1 by 1 means 1. But the answer is given 81 by 16. So is it true? No, the statement is false. In the same way, 0 divides 2 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. When 0 divides by any fractional number, the answer is always 0, as we have done the properties of division. So the statement is false. This completes our question number 11. Let's move to question number 12. A family consumes 1 by 2 liters of milk every day. What is the total consumption of milk by the family in the month of April? Okay, a family consumes this quantity of milk every day. Then first of all tell me, how many days does the month of April have? April has, tell me, yes, 30 days. So a family consumes milk in one day is 1 by 2 means 5 by 2 liter. So the family consumes milk in 30 days. If a thing for 1 is given, need to calculate for 30. What to do? Tell me what to do. We will use multiplication here. How can we multiply? 5 by 2 multiply 30. Cancel it. It's 15. 15 5s are 75 by 1 means 75 liters of milk the family consumes in the month of April. Okay, let's move to question number 13. Mala has 36 toffees. She gives 4 by 9 of them to her friend. How many toffees are left with her? A girl named Mala has total toffees 36. He has given to her friend 4 by 9 of 36. Such kind of question we have already discussed in our worksheet. So how did we do this? 4 by 9 of means multiply 36. When it will be cancelled, it's 4 4s are 16 by 1 means 16 toffees. These are the toffees which Mala has given to her friend. Now the question is, how many toffees are left with her? Tell me, the total toffees are 36, given to the friend are 16. Then how many toffees will be left? 36 minus 16. So the answer is 20 toffees. Okay. Let's move to question number 14. This kind of figure is given in the question. What is the statement? If the shaded portion, this shaded portion has a value of 1 by 3, then what is the value of this whole shape? Okay, so we know the value of this part, so we have to divide the whole shape in this kind into same kind of shapes. So by drawing some lines, let's see how can we draw. First of all, draw a line in this way. Okay, then in this, then in this way, then in this, look carefully. Okay, these are the parts which are having the shape similar to the given shape. Okay, which are having the shape similar to the given shape. Now count the number of shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1 is already shaded, so it will be 13. Okay, the value of one shaded portion is 1 by 3. So what will we write? Value of one part is 1 by 3. Then value of 13 parts will be, what to do? 1 by 3 multiply 13. Cancellation is not possible. 13 by 3, which is an improper fraction, convert into mixed. So the answer is 4 1 by 3. This completes our question number 14 of brain teasers, and we have also completed our chapter. Now your homework is complete and revise unit 4 fractional number. Thank you.